Hi, I'm Bastian Wessing from Aachen, Germany, and today I'm going to show you some of the actions we took care of in our dental practice to prevent infections with the new COVID-19 disease of our patients, our staff and ourselves. First, you got informations how to behave and how to disinfect your hands. Also, what to do if you are infected by the coronavirus or if you have symptoms. When entering our practice, you can see several waiting areas which we arranged to take care that the waiting patients are not sitting next to each other. Informations how to behave. You have to wait behind this line here if someone else is waiting directly at the reception area. And also we give the patients additional information of our new opening times, because we now have a complete separated two-shift system. Here is our waiting area. Today are not more people than 4 allowed in this area. We also removed all of the paper journals, and we also closed the coffee and soft drinks minibar. And we also built a safety guard for our receptionists, like a spitting guard. It's from plexiglass, as you can see here, where they can talk to the patients and are safe against aerosols. They also have to wear FFP1 masks the whole day. Here are also informations how to disinfect your hands with the disinfectant. As you can see here, it's also a waiting line, again with the informations. And as you can see, several waiting areas.